This is tense-infused vanilla, 24 grams of protein. 1 scoop, cold water, that's it. Okay, that's smooth. Vanilla, not too sweet. No chalky finish either. Yeah, this lives in my gym bag.
If you're a professional creator who wants to produce premium results with minimal hassle, you can use Topview AI's Canvas feature to achieve production-level results like this one, which I created within just a few minutes, especially with the support of its agent. The best part is that Canvas is powered by Seedance 2.5, so you can now generate individual clips up to 30 seconds long. If you purchase the annual Ultra plan, you can get unlimited access to Seedance 2.5 for 2 months, along with unlimited access to Seedance 2.0 Mini, Seedance 2.0 Fast, Van 3.0, and Minimax H3 throughout the entire year. You can use Canvas to neatly organize all your generated assets and create anything you want from the ground up. You have complete flexibility and creative freedom to create whatever you want using this Canvas feature. You also have a timeline feature where you can simply drag and drop your clips and edit them together. To see what kind of video I would get by using only the text-to-video feature, without using the generated and organized assets inside Canvas, I ran a simple generation, and here's the result.
That was the last round. Now I need something quick. This is vanilla, 24 grams of protein per serving. 1 scoop, cold water, shake it, easy. That's smooth. Vanilla, but not too sweet. No chalky finish either. Yeah, this stays in the gym bag.
I wanted the woman to have a muscular build, but it went completely out of control. It also failed to render the text properly, which doesn't look good for the world's best AI model. The point is that, without using Canvas, you can't see what your output will look like before completing the full generation, and you can easily waste your valuable credits. The Canvas feature was created specifically for professional creators, allowing you to save, organize, and share the products you generate, then reuse those same products later to create a wide variety of other advertisements. Essentially, a single product can become multiple usable videos or different ad concepts. This is the exact workflow I used to create the MMA video. Once again, I neatly organized and saved all the generated assets inside separate folders, so I can generate more videos, or even create a complete series of videos using the same characters. I created it with the help of the agent, and most of the time, I only had to type a single word, continue, to get the job done. However, I strongly recommend reading everything thoroughly to make sure you have every detail you need before moving forward. That will help you save a lot of credits in the long run. This is the storyboard I used to generate the final video, and at the top, you can clearly see the total clip length. Just 2 weeks ago, you would have had to create 2 separate storyboards to generate a single 30-second clip, which would increase the chances of inconsistency between those 2 generations. The storyboard is highly detailed and neatly organized, so you can get a very clear idea of what your final generation will look like before you spend any credits. First, we have the goal of the video, which clearly locks in that this will be one continuous shot without any cuts. Next, we have the references that clearly mention and point to our generated assets, followed by the continuity section. After that, we have all the shot-by-shot actions and instructions laid out from the beginning to the end. Next, I created a football action sequence, and this is the exact canvas I used to create it. As before, the agent helped me generate and organize the required assets first.
Wait! Open for the ball! Wait! Box! Away! Yeah!
Then, I quickly tried generating a game trailer using this same workflow.
The dust front reaches the valley in 90 seconds.
That is dragging the chassis.
Bring every processor online.
Water flow confirmed. Atmosphere is holding. Open the doors.
For the final generation, I chose a documentary-style historical explainer that runs for a total of 2 minutes. With the agent's assistance, I completed the entire project in less than an hour. These are the generated assets. Down below you can see the audio, followed by the 4 storyboards that cover the complete 2-minute generation.
Between 1865 and 1890, the American West changed at extraordinary speed. At sunrise, a frontier town came alive. Blacksmiths shaped iron, shop papers raised shutters, stagecoaches delivered passengers and freight, and telegraph wires carried news faster than any horse. General stores and saloons were not merely backdrops for gunfighters. They were crowded meeting places in communities built around trade, labor, and survival. Cattle drives crossed immense distances. Black, Hispanic, indigenous, and white cowboys shared the work. They guided herds through dust and dangerous rivers, then kept watch at night. Stampedes demanded skill and nerve. The wages were modest. The labor was relentless. Far from the endless adventures celebrated later, railroads compressed distance. Track crews and surveyors pushed lines across the plains as telegraph poles followed. Stations filled with freight, merchants, migrants, and prospectors. Mining camps could become boom towns almost overnight. Expansion offered wages, markets, and land to some newcomers. Popular memory reduced this history to marshals, outlaws, card games, and showdowns. Most days were less dramatic. Families raised walls,
Again, one of the best things about Canvas is its ability to paint a clear picture of what you'll see before spending your credits. This kind of control is extremely valuable for professional creators who want the exact result they're looking for without dealing with a lot of unnecessary frustration. If you're a serious creator, the Ultra plan is built for you, with unlimited access to a wide range of different models. You can try it now using the link in the description and the pinned comment.